All right, we got some sirloins. I'm gonna show you guys what I do with my sirloins and how we get them ready with the smoker and then grill them. But first things first, just in preparation, first thing I do is pound the meat. Okay, get it softened up. Some guys don't do this, they don't like it. We like tender, nice pieces of beef here. So I'm gonna break all this up, get rid of some of the fat that I don't need. So I'm gonna go through, pound all this down, and then we're gonna put the seasoning on it, and I'll show you what that looks like here in a second. All right, finishing up with the last one here. Where do we get our meat? We get all of our meat at Costco. It's the best place to get meat. It's just good quality. After we cook it, it's good for a couple days. And yeah.
Fairly cheap.
Bigger cuts, there's more meat. It's not the cheapest, I don't think, but it's good. So you can always get good quality stuff. All right, so seasoning wise, what we're gonna do here is I have our own special mix that we do, but then I also salt and pepper it, and then I'll also put some garlic salt on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle some seasoning on this stuff now. Get it all rubbed in both sides. I'm gonna go through both fillets, and then I'll show you what I do. We'll go get them, put them on the smoker for an hour, and get them nice and smoked. But I don't put all the seasonings on at this time. I just put this kind. I just want to do a little bit light because I still want to get some smoke flavor in there. So we're just going to go nice and light. And then once we get done smoking them, and I move them over to the skillets that I've seasoned, spend a lot of time seasoning on the grill, about 400 or 500 degrees. We'll add some more salt and pepper and some garlic salt, as well as some good Kerrygold butter. Butter makes it better. It's all about butter, folks. If you want your meat to taste good, add butter. Butter's good. Get the real stuff. It's good for you. It's good fat. Just don't be too much. Okay, we're gonna go to the smoker now. All right, we got the steaks. Season them a little bit. We're gonna go put them on the smoker. Jax, you get Jax. He's excited. We might get some steak tonight. Okay.
You will.
One
get
out
steak.
here. Got the smoker set. I got my water in here, so we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys on. Let them smoke for an hour or so. Probably flip them halfway through, so they both of them get the same, all get the same side. So in an hour, then we'll move over here. I'll get this bad boy fired up. I'll get my butter and the rest of the seasonings. We'll sear them, cook them to about 135, 140 degrees, and then let them sit, and then cut them in strips and eat. So that's it for now. All right, I'm gonna take the steaks off the smoker. Looking good. I flipped them at a half hour. Now we're about up to 500 degrees. Nice and hot. Put some butter on there.
Kerrygold butter.
Kerrygold, pure Irish butter. Pure Irish butter, guys. All right, I'm just gonna take one at a time that I'm cooking. I can actually do two on that one, probably. So I'll put this other one over there. I'm gonna put some butter on top of each one of these. Let it melt. And we're gonna season them up a little bit more. Special seasonings. Nice and heavy in there. Throw a little garlic salt. all in the pan too. Okay. Close that up. Check them, flip them over, butter them, check them. Once they get up to 140, put them in, let them set, and cut them up and eat. That's it. Okay, I got these going. Got some butter on top and season them. We'll flip them over here. The other side. Hear that? Ooh, look at that. Hot. Season a little bit more.
Did he have it like 500?
Yeah, this seems like at 500 when I close it.
How long on each side?
Usually just like 3 or 4 minutes. So once these are on for a couple more minutes, I'll check them. Thermal pin. Got my thermal pin. You know, some people do the thumb test crap. Just use the thermal pin. I like them to around 135, 140. We'll continue cooking, take them off, put them right there. Let them rest for 10 minutes. Eat dinner tonight. Look at those. All right. Cut these bad boys up. I'm gonna grab one on the bottom. It's had more time to rest.
How long do they rest?
Let it rest for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Or while I'm snacking, and I'm done snacking. And then I want my meat. Alright. We're gonna cut these into strips. Everybody likes them in steak strips here. You can see a little bit of smoke right there. We got some pink in the middle. So perfect flavor. Let me try this one. So good. So good. All right, I'm gonna finish cutting these up so the rest of the fam can eat them.
I want this guy.
Yeah, I think we'll give him a couple pieces too. Yeah, you want some, Jax? Okay, we'll give you a piece. Jax approved. Yep. All right.